Which is the most common type of leukemia in children? Option A, acute myeloid leukemia. Option B, chronic lymphatic leukemia. Option C, acute lymphoblastic leukemia. Option D, chronic myeloid leukemia. The correct answer is option C, acute lymphoblastic leukemia. Acute lymphoblastic leukemia is the most frequent leukemia in children. Most common type of leukemia in children is acute lymphoblastic leukemia. Rolex formation of RBCs is characteristic of. Rolex formation of RBCs is characteristic of. Option A, hemolytic anemia. Option B, sickle cell anemia. Option C, multiple myeloma. Option D, thalassemia. The correct answer is option C, multiple myeloma. Increased serum proteins causes RBCs to stack like coils. Rolex. Rolex formation of RBC is characteristic of multiple myeloma. Anaplasia. Anaplasia in tumors means option A, loss of cell polarity. Option B, increased mitosis. Option C, pleomorphism. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Anaplasia means lack of differentiation, pleomorphism, abnormal mitosis, and loss of polarity. Anaplasia in tumor means loss of cell polarity, B, increased mitosis, C, pleomorphism, D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Starry sky appearance is seen in option A, Burkitt's lymphoma. Option B, Hodgkin's lymphoma. Option C, chronic lymphatic leukemia. Option D, acute myeloid leukemia. The correct answer is option A, Burkitt's lymphoma. Tingeable body microphases among tumor cell give a starky skin pattern. Starry sky appearance is seen in Burkitt's lymphoma. Tingeable body microphase. Which is the most common cause of infraction? Which is the most common cause of infraction? Option A, arterial obstruction. Option B, venous obstruction. Option C, hypotension. Option D, embolism. The correct answer is option A, arterial obstruction. Infraction is the most commonly due to arterial thrombus or embolus. Infraction is most common due to arterial. Giant cells in tuberculosis are called option A, Reed-Steinberg cells. Option B, Aschoff cells. Option C, Langerhans giant cells. Option D, Totten giant cells. The correct answer is option C, Langerhans giant cells. Langerhans giant cells are seen in TB tuberculosis with peripheral nuclei arrangement. Langerhans giant cells are seen in TB tuberculosis with peripheral nuclei arrangements. Fibroid necrosis is characteristically seen in option A, TB. Option B, malaria. Option C, immune mediated vasculitis. Option D, hepatitis. The correct answer is option C, immune mediated vasculitis. Deposition of immune complexes in vessel walls leads to fibrinoid necrosis. Fibrinoid necrosis is seen in immune mediated vasculitis. Which of the following is a pre-malignant condition? Option A, fibroadenoma. Option B, leukoplegia. Option C, lymphoma. Option D, cystadenoma. The correct answer is option B, leukoplegia. Leukoplegia of oral cavity is a pre-malignant lesion associated with squamous carcinoma. Leukoplegia of oral cavity is a pre-malignant lesion associated with squamous carcinoma. Target cells are seen in option A, iron deficiency anemia. Option B, thalassemia. Option C, sickle cell anemia. Option D, aplastic anemia. The correct answer is thalassemia. Excess membrane relative to hemoglobin gives RBCs a target-like appearance. Excess membrane relative to hemoglobin gives RBCs a target-like appearance. Target cells are seen in thalassemia. Hemophilia B is caused by deficiency of option A, factor 7, option B, factor 8, option C, factor 9, option D, factor 10. The correct answer is option C, factor 9. Hemophilia B or Christmas disease is due to factor 9 deficiency. Hemophilia B is caused by deficiency of factor 9. Hemophilia B is due to factor 9 deficiency. It is also called Christmas disease. The most common site of gastric carcinoma is option A, fundus, option B, cardia, option C, antrum, option D, lesser curvature. The correct answer is option D, lesser curvature. The gastric carcinoma most frequently arises at the lesser curvature of stomach. Most common site of gastric carcinoma is lesser curvature. Which is a tumor marker for ovarian cancer? Option A, CEA, option B, CA 19-9, option C, CA 125, option D, PSA. The correct answer is CA 125. Cancer antigen 125 is elevated in epithelial ovarian carcinoma. Option A stands on carcinoembryonic antigen. Option B stands on carbohydrate antigen 19-9 or cancer antigen 19-9. Pheochromocytoma arises from which cells? Option A alpha cells, option B beta cells, option C chromaffin cells, option D endothelial cells. The correct answer is option C chromaffin cells. Pheochromocytoma is a catecholamine secreting tumor from adrenal medulla chromaffin cells. Pheochromocytoma arises from chromaffin cells. Is a the classic sign of hydatid cyst rupture is option A hematuria, option B anaphylaxis, option C hemoptysis, option D cyanosis. The correct answer is option B anaphylaxis. Rupture of echinococcus cyst releases antigen severe allergic reaction that causes severe allergic reaction. The classic sign of hydatid cyst rupture is anaphylaxis, severe allergic reaction. Salt and pepper chromatin is seen in option A medullary thyroid carcinoma, option B papillary thyroid carcinoma, option C small cell carcinoma of the lung, option D neuroendocrine tumors. The correct answer is option D neuroendocrine tumors. Neuroendocrine tumor shows finely stippled salt and pepper chromatin. Neuroendocrine tumor shows finely stippled salt and pepper chromatin. Which is the most common malignancy in AIDS patients? Option A Hodgkin lymphoma, option B Kaposi sarcoma, option C leukemia, option D melanoma. The correct answer is option B Kaposi sarcoma. Kaposi sarcoma is commonly seen in immunocompromised AIDS patients. Kaposi sarcoma is most common malignancy in AIDS patient. Raised ESR is a non-specific indicator of Option A, acute infection. Option B, chronic inflammation. Option C, malignancy. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. ESR rises in inflammation, infection, and cancer, but is non-specific. ESR rises in inflammation, infection, and cancers, but is non-specific. The most common site of brain tumor in children is option A, cerebral cortex. Option B, brainstem. Option C, cerebellum. Option D, pituitary. The correct answer is option C, cerebellum. Medulloblastoma and pleocystic astrocytoma frequently occur in cerebellum of children. Most common site of brain tumor in children is cerebellum. Hemangioma is a tumor of Hemangioma is a tumor of option A, nerves. Option B, muscle. Option C, blood vessels. Option D, connective tissue. The correct answer is option C, blood vessels. Hemangiomas are benign vascular tumors. Hemangioma is a tumor of blood vessels. Hemangiomas are benign vascular tumors. The most common benign tumor of the liver is option A, hepatocellular adenoma. Option B, hemangioma. Option C, fibroma. Option D, lymphoma. The correct answer is hemangioma. Most common benign tumor of liver is hepatocellular adenoma. Option B, hemangioma. Option C, fibroma. Option D, lymphoma. The correct answer is option B, hemangioma. Ground glass hepatocytes are seen in. Ground glass hepatocytes are seen in. Option A, hepatitis B. Option B, hepatitis C. Option C, alcoholic hepatitis. Option D, cirrhosis. The correct answer is option A, hepatitis B. Ground glass hepatocytes are seen in hepatitis B. In HBV infection, hepatocytes appear with the ground glass cytoplasm due to HBs antigen. In which the diagnostic cell is option A, Reed-Steinberg cell. Option B, colocyte. Option C, Warthin-Finkeldy cell. Option D, Langerhans cell. The correct answer is option C, Warthin-Finkeldy cell. Multinucleated giant cell in lymphoid tissue or diagnostic of measles. Multinucleated giant cells in lymphoid tissue or diagnostic of measles. Most common, the commonest form of gallstone is option A, pure cholesterol. Option B, mixed cholesterol. Option C, pigment stones. Option D, calcium stones. The commonest form of gallstone is. The correct answer is option B, mixed cholesterol. Mixed cholesterol stones are the most frequent gallstones. Mixed cholesterol stones are the most frequent gallstones. Apple core lesion is in barium enema is seen in. Apple core lesion in barium enema is seen in. Option A, gastric carcinoma. Option B, colon carcinoma. Option C, rectal carcinoma. Option D, duodenal carcinoma. The correct answer is option B, colon carcinoma. Annular constricting carcinoma of colon produces apple core appearance. Annular constricting carcinoma of colon produces apple core appearance. Which is the most common malignant tumor of kidney in children? Option A, clear cell carcinoma. Option B, Wilms tumor. Option C, oncocytoma. Option D, angiomyolymphoma. The correct answer is option B, Wilms tumor. Nephroblastoma or Wilms tumor is the most common childhood renal malignancy. Most common malignant tumor of kidney in children. The classic feature of Hashimoto's thyroiditis is option A, Hurtile cell change. Option B, fibrosis. Option C, necrosis. Option D, calcification. The correct answer is option A, Hurtile cell change. Hashimoto's thyroiditis shows Hurtile cell metaplasia and lymphocytic infiltration. Congenital syphilis can lead to destruction of nasal cartilage that leads to saddle nose deformity. In leprosy, lepromin test is positive in option A, lepromatous leprosy. Option B, tuberculoid leprosy. Option C, borderline leprosy. Option D, indeterminate leprosy. The correct answer is option B, tuberculoid leprosy. Lepromin test indicates cell-mediated immunity positive in tuberculoid form. Which is the most common primary tumor of the heart? Option A, fibroma. Option B, myxoma. Option C, lymphoma. Option D, sarcoma. The correct answer is option B, myxoma. Cardiac myxoma is the most common primary tumor, usually in left atrium. Most common primary tumor of the heart is myoma. The most common site of squamous cell carcinoma in oral cavity is option A, tongue. Option B, buccal mucosa. Option C, lip. Option D, palate. The correct answer is option A, tongue. Lateral border of tongue is the most frequent site for oral squamous cell carcinoma. Lateral border of tongue is the most frequent site for oral squamous cell carcinoma. Cotton wool spots in retina are seen in option A, hypertension. Option B, diabetes mellitus. Option C, anemia. Option D, leukemia. The correct answer is option B, diabetes mellitus. Diabetic retinopathy causes cotton wool exudates due to microinfarcts. Diabetic retinopathy causes cotton wool exudates due to microinfarcts. Cotton wool spots seen in diabetes mellitus. Which is the most common primary malignancy of liver? Option A, hemangioma. Option B, cholangiocarcinoma. Option C, hepatocellular carcinoma. Option D, fibrosarcoma. The correct answer is option C, hepatocellular carcinoma is the most common primary malignancy of liver, often linked with HBV or HCV. Gout is caused by deposition of option A, calcium pyrophosphate. Option B, uric acid crystals. Option C, oxalate. Option D, cholesterol. The correct answer is option B, uric acid crystals. Monosodium urate crystal deposition in joints leads to gout. Gout is caused by deposition of uric acid crystals. Monosodium urate crystal deposition in joints leads to gout. Lead pipe colon is seen in option A, Crohn's disease. Option B, ulcerative colitis. Option C, TB enteritis. Option D, amoebiasis. The correct answer is option B, ulcerative colitis. Chronic ulcerative colitis causes loss of astrations giving lead pipe appearance. Chronic ulcerative colitis causes loss of astrations giving lead pipe appearance. The most common primary brain tumor in adults is option A, glioblastoma multiforme. Option B, meningioma. Option C, oligodendroglioma. Option D, schwannoma. The correct answer is option A, glioblastoma multiforme. Glioblastoma multiforme is the most frequent and aggressive primary brain tumor in adults. Most common primary brain tumor in adults. In systemic amyloidosis, the common protein deposited is option A, AL amyloid. Option B, AA amyloid. Option C, transthyretin. Option D, beta amyloid. The correct answer is option A, AL amyloid. AL amyloid from immunoglobulin light chains is most common in systemic amyloidosis. Option A, AL stands on amyloid light. Which tumor is called fried egg tumor? Option A, oligodendroglioma. Option B, glioblastoma. Option C, medulloblastoma. Option D, astrocytoma. The correct answer is option A, oligodendroglioma. Cells have perinuclear halo resembling fried eggs in oligodendrogliomas. Fried egg tumor is called oligodendroglioma. Cherry red spot in macula is seen in option A, Tay-Sachs disease. Option B, diabetes. Option C, hypertension. Option D, retinoblastoma. The correct answer is option A, Tay-Sachs disease. Lipid storage diseases like Tay-Sachs show cherry red spot on fundus exam. Cherry red spot in macula is seen in Tay-Sachs disease. The most common cause of pulmonary hypertension is option A, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Option B, left heart disease. Option C, pulmonary embolism. Option D, interstitial lung disease. The correct answer is option B, left heart disease. Pulmonary hypertension is most commonly secondary to left heart failure. Most common cause of pulmonary hypertension is left heart disease. In Alzheimer's disease, the characteristic lesion is option A, leafy bodies. Option B, neurofibrillary tangles. Option C, negri bodies. Option C, Mallory bodies. The correct answer is option B, neurofibrillary tangles. Alzheimer's shows neurofibrillary tangles and beta amyloid plaques. Alzheimer's shows neurofibrillary tangles and beta amyloid plaques. Most common type of cervical cancer is option adenosarcoma, option B squamous cell carcinoma, option C small cell carcinoma, option D sarcoma. The correct answer is option B squamous cell carcinoma. Over 70% of cervical cancers are squamous cell type linked to HPV. Most common type of cervical cancer is squamous cell carcinoma. Which is the most common benign tumor of bones? Option A, osteosarcoma. Option B, osteochondroma. Option C, Wings sarcoma. Option D, chondrosarcoma. The correct answer is option B, osteochondroma. Osteochondroma is most frequent benign bone tumor. Most common benign tumor of bones is osteochondroma. In Paget's disease of bone, the classic histology is option A, onion skin, option B, mosaic pattern, option C, rosette pattern, option D, starry skin. The correct answer is option B, mosaic pattern. Paget's disease shows a mosaic pattern of lamellar bone. Paget's disease shows a mosaic pattern of lamellar bone. The most common site of endometriosis is option A, ovary, option B, uterus, option C, fallopian tube, option D, rectum. The correct answer is option A, ovary. Endometriosis commonly involves ovaries forming chocolate cysts. Endometriosis commonly involves ovaries forming chocolate cysts. Most common site of endometriosis is ovary. In which disease are hens bodies seen? Option A, thalassemia. Option B, G6PD deficiency. Option C, iron deficiency anemia. Option D, sickle cell anemia. The correct answer is option B, G6PD deficiency. Oxidative damage causes denatured hemoglobin aggregates, hence bodies. Hence bodies are seen in G6PD deficiency. Most common soft tissue sarcoma in children is option A, fibrosarcoma. Option B, rhabdomyosarcoma. Option C, liposarcoma. Option D, leiomyosarcoma. The correct answer is option B, rhabdomyosarcoma. Rhabdomyosarcoma is the most frequent soft tissue sarcoma in children. Rhabdomyosarcoma is the most frequent soft tissue sarcoma in children. Paget's disease of breast involves option A, nipple and areola. Option B, entire breast. Option C, ducts. Option D, lobules. The correct answer is option nipple and areola. Paget's disease of breast presents with eczematous lesion of nipple or areola. The most common type of Hodgkin's lymphoma is option A, nodular sclerosis. Option B, mixed cellularity. Option C, lymphocyte rich. Option D, lymphocyte depleted. The correct answer is option A, nodular sclerosis. Most common type of Hodgkin's lymphoma is nodular sclerosis. Nodular sclerosis type is most common, especially in young women. Which is the most common primary malignancy of thyroid? Option A, papillary carcinoma. Option B, follicular carcinoma. Option C, medullary carcinoma. Option D, anaplastic carcinoma. The correct answer is option A, papillary carcinoma. Papillary thyroid carcinoma is the most frequent thyroid malignancy. Most common primary malignancy of thyroid is papillary carcinoma. Bite or spots are seen in deficiency of option A, vitamin A, option B, vitamin B12, option C, vitamin C, option D, vitamin D. The correct answer is option A, vitamin A. Vitamin A deficiency causes conjunctival cirrhosis, and Bitot spots. Vitamin A deficiency causes conjunctival cirrhosis and Bitot spot. Bitot. Saddle nose deformity is seen in option A TB, option B syphilis, option C leprosy, option D sarcoidosis. The correct answer is option B syphilis. Congenital syphilis can lead to destruction of nasal cartilage, leads to saddle nose deformity. Saddle nose deformity is seen in syphilis. My dear students, if you like my content, please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you all.